Students will work in pairs to select two news articles on the same topic from different sources, one that is credible and one that is potentially fake. They will analyze the sources for credibility, author qualifications, and supporting evidence, and create a comparative analysis report that details their findings, including why one source is credible and the other is not. Select a topic. Choose a topic. In pairs, students should choose a current or relevant topic that is likely covered by multiple news sources, example technology, health, environment, or politics. Discuss scope. Ensure the topic is specific enough to find two articles covering the same subject with similar information but potentially different credibility levels. Find two news articles. Identify potential articles. Using different news platforms, students should find two articles on their chosen topic, one from a known credible source, example BBC, Reuters, and one from a lesser known or potentially biased, unreliable source. Check for similarity in content. Ensure the articles cover similar details so that students can directly compare the content and analyze how each source presents the information. Analyze article credibility, source credibility. Have students evaluate the credibility of each source by researching publisher reputation. Check if the source is known for reliable, fact-based reporting or if it has a reputation for sensationalism or misinformation. Website indicators. Assess the website's layout and professionalism. Credible sources often have a clean, professional appearance without excessive ads or clickbait titles. Author qualifications. Research the background of the article's author by checking for author credentials. Look for details about the author's expertise, education, and experience in the field. Examining author transparency. See if the author's name, contact information, and bio are available. Reputable sources usually provide this information. Compare the articles. Organize key findings. Students should create a comparison table or chart listing each element analyzed, example, source, author qualifications, supporting evidence, with details for both articles. Highlight differences, emphasize aspects where the credible article excels, such as clear citations, author transparency, balanced reporting, and use of credible sources versus questionable or missing information in the potentially fake article. Create a comparative analysis report. Write an introduction. Begin with an overview of the chosen topic and purpose of the comparison. Detail each criterion in the body. Explain the analysis under each criterion, source credibility, author qualifications, and evidence. State findings. Conclude by stating which article is credible and why, and provide specific examples that demonstrate the unreliability of the other article. Add peer review and edit. Exchange reports. Pairs can exchange their reports with another group for feedback on clarity, completeness, and logical flow. Refine content. Based on peer feedback, students should revise their report, ensuring each element of credibility analysis is well supported by examples. Present findings. Prepare a brief presentation. If presenting, students should focus on key differences between the articles and why one source is deemed more credible than the other. Discuss with class. Open the floor for class discussion, allowing students to share insights on how the analysis impacted their understanding of credible sources.